Okay, so then let's look at what is an infinitive. It is the verb with to before it, to walk, to talk, to teach, to run, to climb, to write, or the verb by itself. By itself or with to. Walk, to walk. He's going to walk, to walk. I will walk. Walk, run, talk, listen, listen. Well, to listen, yeah. Are you going, oh yeah, are you going to listen to me? Will you listen to him? Yeah. To teach. I will teach. He is going to teach. Makes sense. Talk. You will talk. You will talk English. He is going to talk to you. Walk. Anything really, just walk. 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 The tonality makes a difference as well. Walk. 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 I'm going to walk there. Makes sense. Makes sense. So an infinitive is like I always think it's like the infinite form of a verb. It just is. You can use it in almost any setting. Walk, talk, to walk. It just is. It's just talk, run, climb, climb. Anything. We need, to climb. We need to climb. Makes sense. And climb. He climbed up there. Climb, ed. I will climb up there. I am going to climb. I will climb. I need to climb. I will. You need to climb. All sorts of ways. Definitely just put it as climb. One word sentence. With the verb, the amazing thing is you can have a one word sentence simply with a verb. Talk, walk, listen, climb, teach, and beyond. Run, escape, turn. Simple. So climb. He will climb. Simple as that. How cool is that? So, let's keep going. Let's keep going.